Right now, I'm actually fishing on the St. Croix. Turns out I don't know how to fish. But I'm trying because fish tacos is our plan for dinner, so we need to get something. And right now, I'm jigging because I was throwing a whole bunch of stuff and I didn't have any luck, so I thought I would try something else. If you know how to fish on the St. Croix, send me a message and let me know what I should be using, and hopefully next time I'll do a little better. Oh no! Just like let your boat go down. I was thinking. Well, I did get skunked, but that's okay. This ends up being the last day of our trip, and I did finally catch one. So, actually I caught two, but only one that was worth sharing. Alright, fish, you can get off. At this point, I need to tell everyone that this is a terrible trip. Don't go to the St. Croix watershed. It was an awful time, and just stay away. Actually, it was awesome. It just was. You gotta check it out. Come on, you made it weird. Remember, life's an adventure, so get out and live.